Hey everybody, Lon Seidman here with another unboxing, and today we are taking a look at the Lenovo Flex 6. This is a $329 laptop that is powered by a new Gemini Lake processor. So it's running with the same technology that we saw in those NUCs recently, but this is a laptop now. This is a dual-core chip versus a quad-core that we had on the second NUC we reviewed, and we'll see how well this compares perhaps to those desktop-based devices. This is kind of an all-in-one unit. Feels a little heavier than I expected it to be. Actually, that's not a bad thing. Typically, these cheap laptops don't feel so great. There are a couple of other screen sizes available. This is the smallest and least expensive, $329. It kind of looks like some of the more expensive laptops. I don't believe the keyboard is backlit, though. But it looks a lot like some of the other Yogas that we have seen and will be seeing on the main channel. By the way, we're going to have a review of this on the main channel at lon.tv in a couple of days. So this one has a Celeron N4000 processor. That is the new chip. It's got 2 gigabytes of RAM, unfortunately. I don't think it's expandable. We'll try to take a look and see if that's possible, but I don't think you can expand the RAM. So I would have liked to have seen 4 gigs. It does, though, have 64 gigabytes of eMMC storage built in. Wireless AC, but only a 1x1 radio on it, and we'll let it boot up here. It looks like the screen is probably IPS. I think it's probably an IPS display. It doesn't seem like it's a TN display. It's a little cloudy, I think, due to the touch technology on here, because this is an all-in-one, so you can flip it around into the tablet mode if you want, or do it in tent mode, or those kinds of things as well, so you have that flexibility with it. Like the keyboard, the trackpad feels pretty nice. It does feel a little nicer than it looks like it should for the price here. On the side, you got the power button, which is nicely illuminated here. There is a USB Type-C port. This will do display and data, but not power. Full-size USB 3 port, HDMI out over there. And then on the other side here, we've got another full-size USB port, a card reader, a full-size SD card reader there, and a combo headphone microphone jack. It looks like this one is fanless. I'm not seeing any vents on it, so we'll see how well its thermal performance is. Remember, those NUCs we looked at with those new Gemini Lake processors did have a fan, and I'm not seeing any vents here, so we'll have to see how well this one will do under load over time when we do our full review, which you'll be able to find very soon on the main channel at lon.tv, so stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters of the Black Eyed and Blues Music Hour podcast, Chris Allegretta, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.